Hello, this is John. He went to the barber shop and changed his hairstyle. When he returned to work, everyone noticed that something had changed and inquire about his differences. He responds,
I cut my hair.
"I cut my hair" is a common English mistake. The mistake here lies in the sentence structure used. The sentence shows the action cut and the actor I. When you say "I cut my hair," which suggests that the action of cutting your hair is by yourself. But if you go to a hair salon or barbershop, you cannot use this structure. Instead of this, you should say, "I have cut my hair." We use this grammar structure when we want to emphasize that someone else is responsible for performing the task or job on our behalf. It is often used in situations where you hire professionals or arrange for services to be provided. Have plus object plus past participle verb is used to communicate that someone has completed a work or job for you. Have is the auxiliary verb that signifies the action of arranging or employing someone to complete the task in this construction. An object is the noun or pronoun that represents the thing or person that is the recipient of the action. Finally, the verb in its past participle form, which expresses the finished activity. As a result, another time if you've got your hair trimmed by a barber and someone asks about it, instead of responding "I cut my hair," say "I have my hair cut." I hope you find the video useful. Please share it with your friends. Leave a comment below, and have a wonderful day.